Hey everyone, welcome back to Onyx Tech, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing my fascination with lunar eclipses, and especially blood moons. As you know, blood moon and a lunar eclipse happened on July 27th. It was about a week ago, and I'm really upset that the North America wasn't able to see it, because I just find it fascinating. What you may not know is that it was the longest running eclipse of the century, which is really weird and cool because that means that this won't happen for another 120 years, which is upsetting because I'll probably be dead. Well, most likely be dead. And it wasn't visible to North America. Some parts of South America was able to view it, but for the rest of the world, they were in for a beautiful view of a rusty moon. The reason it is red is because when the sun's light bends around the earth, so you know how like water near a waterfall refracts the light and splits it up into a rainbow? That's basically what the earth is doing to the light of the sun. It's bending it around the earth, and the wavelength that gives off for the moon is red, which is pretty cool. The next solar eclipse, why would I say solar eclipse? Lunar eclipse is January 21st, 2019. So it's pretty close. It's probably around 4 or 5 months away. And it is going to last for an hour and 2 minutes. And it's the best viewing for the North America's west coast. And I play a lot of video games. And I love the lore. And for anything, the blood moon has lots of lore to it. Many believe that it was caused by vampires, which I would believe too if I was back in like the Romans day, or back in like the Salem witch trials. That's pretty intense. It also, for like the Mayans, they saw it as a sacrifice that the gods were unhappy. And yeah, it's just the lore behind it is crazy. There's books and piles of it. Well, thank you so much for watching my channel. This was just a little short video of me talking about my fascinations for like lunar events. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.